Hey everybody, welcome back to Life as a Highway. Is your kitchen like ours? We only have one outlet, so you need this. Okay, we're going to continue on with our little DIY projects, and there is a plot to this, and we will make a video on why we're doing all these things. Okay, so what we bought was one of these little pop-up outlets. It has 2 USB ports and 1, 2, 3 little 110 outlets. So this adds 3 outlets to your kitchen and some USB ports for charging. But this is a really simple project. This is something I picked this up off Amazon. These are basically all the same. Just go to Amazon and find the one that you like and order it. But this is really simple to do. First thing you want to do is make sure when you look at your location, look up under your sink and your cabinets to ensure there's no wires or any type of plumbing that's going to be in the way when you drill your hole. And we're going to mount ours in this location right here. There's nothing going to be in the way. Now, the wire that they send is a standard plug. If you do, and a lot of RVs do have a 110 outlet under their cabinet or around their stove. It's kind of hidden, but take a look for that before you go and start adding anything like an outlet, or what I'm going to do is actually splice the wires into an existing outlet. But before you start doing all that, see if there's an outlet under your sink or near your stove, especially if you have a stove that has a light in it. You probably have a 110 outlet. But I want to make sure y'all understand this is a this is not a how-to. I am not giving you advice on how to do electrical work. All I'm showing you is how I'm going to install this and how I hook this up. So do your own research and make sure that what you do is safe and that you're following standard guidelines for installing electrical outlets. Anyway, so let's start getting this done. We've got the hole marked where we're going to install this. And what we're going to need to do is just take our hole saw, and we just need to cut this out with our hole saw. We're going to drop it in and then put the nut on. Be right back. And that's going to fit really nice. Before I'm going to silicone this up, and the reason why is because this is a counter and a sink, and I don't want any water running down in and possibly getting under the counter, or even getting in the cracks of the counter, and it would cause my countertop to swell up. Straight?
Yes.
Or
yes.
Like that. I think just put it straight.
No, I think straight's fine.
Okay, you can see we got our wires connected, everything's installed, and it's ready for use. Okay, that's going to complete that project. That's just the one more DIY episode that we've completed. Now, y'all, if your RV's like mine, you don't have a lot of outlets in there. We have one outlet on the other side of the stove. You really can't use it because if you're cooking, you can't run any cords over there, and we have one on the end where the extension comes up on the counter. But this is a really easy and a really good way to add some outlets. It's out of the way, and it's also in a convenient place. So if this is your first time to the channel, I really would appreciate it if you subscribe, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That really helps. And to all my subscribers out there, we really appreciate y'all, and I really hope you're enjoying this DIY series. We have a couple more projects to do. We still got to get the refrigerator in and get that one done, but I have a really big one that we're going to be doing in the very near future. Probably in the next 2 episodes you'll get to see that one. That's going to be a really good one. I think y'all really like that one. But anyway, I really appreciate y'all watching, and I hope to see you on the highway. God bless, and fish on.